Feeling a bit lost with all the AI talk at work? Don't worry, we're going to clear it all up. So, why is AI suddenly everywhere? It feels like it just popped up out of nowhere, right? Well, AI has actually been around for a while, but breakthroughs like GPT-3 and Gemini changed everything. At heart, AI is just a giant pattern matching machine. It learns from tons of data to make predictions and find patterns. Okay, so there are two main types. Traditional AI labels or classifies things, and generative AI creates new things. This is the engine behind tools like Gemini. It's a super powerful prediction machine for words. So, how does it understand you? It chops up your sentences into little pieces called tokens. Basically, these models are always just guessing. Our job is to guide their guesses toward the truth. The key thing to know, it has no memory. Every single chat is a completely fresh start. That short term memory is called the context window. Pro tip: start a new chat for every new topic. Alright, enough theory. How can this actually help you at work? Let's get practical. First up, it's an amazing writing assistant. Great for drafting emails or just getting past writer's block. It's also a great analysis partner. You can ask it to find insights in spreadsheets or summarize long documents. For example, in a spreadsheet, you can ask AI to analyze or point out patterns automatically. This saves so much time. Let's take it a step further. What if AI can actually run your boring, repetitive tasks? This is the real magic. AI gives your automations a brain, letting them make smart decisions. Check this out. AI can draft daily posts, but you still get the final approval. That's smart automation. Okay, to get great results, you have to talk to AI clearly. Think of it like giving instructions to a very literal intern. So be specific, give it context and examples of what you want, and always double check its work. The best way to learn is just to try it. So, what's one repetitive task you can hand off this week?